Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a lasagna from flower bulbs. I'm going to show you how to layer them in the pot so that they will come up after each other and your flower season will take longer. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Start by making sure your pot or basket is well draining. Make holes if necessary. Protect the bulbs for a cold period by adding a layer of bubble wrap on the outer layer. Fill the pot with a layer of clay pellets. Top this up with some potting soil. Start with the first layer of bulbs. I chose Muscari, also known as grape hyacinth. For the first layer you want to choose bulbs that flower the latest. Put them in the soil with the pointy sides up. Cover with a layer of 5 cm of potting soil. For the next layer you plant bulbs that flower earlier than the last layer. I chose a crocus that flowers in spring. Again, put the bulbs with the right side up. Put some potting soil on top. You can continue until your pot is full with layers of bulbs. Water it and you will see the first flowers appear in spring. Thank you for watching this video on how to make a flower bulb lasagna. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to comment down below, give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!